Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a microphone not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type microphone privacy settings. Click on open it. You need to make sure that microphone access is turned on or here and let app access your microphone. You just need to turn it on. After that, you just need to scroll down and find the specific app you are trying to use the microphone, and you just need to turn on that app. After that, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On right side, select sound. You just need to scroll down. In input device, you just need to select the correct microphone in here guys, and then this is your microphone volume. You just need to adjust it by your preferences, and you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. If you are facing the problem on a particular app, then you just need to open the app and go to settings guys. Click on the three dot and settings and go to audio and video tab over here, and you just need to select the drop down in the microphone and select your correct microphone guys over here. After selecting your correct microphone, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type wmsys.cpl. Click on OK. In here, you just need to select recording tab, and you need to select your correct microphone over here guys. After selecting the correct microphone, you just need to select set default. After setting default, the tick mark will be given guys in the microphone. After that, you just need to select apply and OK for save changes, and your problem should be fixed. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.